you see the general state, the point of view from the sky, which does not select any listener. And in this case, we should have the maximum. The maximum density of layers, because all the layers are activated. Then when we choose one of the cards, we select one of the balls which stands for the point of view, but also for the point of listening, and so we have a selection over all these layers. So the audio gets less, how can we say, complex, less stratified. Okay, so you see this one is a data visualizer made in SuperCollider, which takes the data from the 3D billiard, and the state of the billiard is sampled, and this array of values representing each ball position is sent to SuperCollider, which visualize this data over this screen. In this way I have an idea of what is happening, so that I can control the audio process, the audio and music process. The dark green area you see there, it is a sort of listening area, because a sound is associated to each ball, and when a certain ball is selected, it becomes the listener, and it is the focus of this area, and all the balls which are outside the area are excluded, so you cannot listen to them anymore. And this way you have a sort of different way of listening to the same set of, let's say, sound objects. So obviously the area should be a circle, but I have not a circle in the graphic primitive, so I have had to use the square, but it gives me a way of controlling what's going on, so that we can understand with Fabrizio if the two applications are in sync or not. Here there is a sensor, and this sensor tracks the number of the ball, so this is number 6, I guess, and in this way the camera focuses over the ball, so you see the point of view of the ball, and at the same time the number 6, the layer number 6 in the audio is selected, so that it becomes the center of that dark green area. The billiard.
Billiard.
You see the billiard. Here we're receiving OSC data.
Coherent with that
Java
billiard
application.
The real virtual billiard.
The real virtual billiard.
And the fake virtual
the fake
billiard.
virtual billiard.
The virtual billiard.
The dark green area is the listener area.